Okay. Hi, how are you, everybody? Uh, my name is Mauricio Guerrero. I'm a master student from the Faculty of Industrial Engineering and Management. I will talk about my master thesis project, which is called Productization and Product Traceability Management for the Flex-In-Glass project. It's a case company. Well, I will start first to make you to give you some background about the project. It's a project funded by TECES, HILA program. Yes, there are Finnish research and industrial partners involved in this project, and the idea of this project is to create an intelligent Flex-In-Glass products along value chains. As you see, there are a lot of companies who are involved. BTT, the University of Applied Science, NSG, Technoware, Kone, ELISA, among others. The product itself, it's about to build a flexible LED foils with sensors and IoT connectivity. All of those elements implemented in a glass, in a flexible. This is the business case that I am taking care of. It's a matrix display windshield that is installed in that windshield in the bus. This is actually the product. The industrial value chain is, as you can see, first we have ELISA as a provider as IoT digital services. They take care of the remote monitoring and management, the traceability, and the product content delivery. There is BTT, but now BTT is a temporary player on this value chain. They are taking care of the printing of the foil. FlexRide is one of the main players of the value chain. What they do is they assemble different components within that foil, like LEDs and capacitors. And then it comes the companies who are in charge of the provided different business case. We have NSG, Kone, Technoware, and Lacity. NSG, for instance, that is the product that I'm taking care of is in charge, as we saw, of the lamination of this product within the windshield. There are other companies like Kone or Technoware that they will use these products as a company, as a component on their assemblies. As I say, the aim of my research is to evaluate what is the productization and the traceability management practices in this partner supply chain ecosystem. For this, I built this theoretical framework. I built 3 layers: productization on the bottom, product data management practices on the middle, and traceability management on the top. And my aim is to connect all of these 3 layers each other. Productization, well, to talk about productization, first we need to understand what is a product. And a product is anything that can be made to be sold, and is made of goods, services, knowledge, can be tangible or intangible. And the idea of productization is to conceptualize this product in a product structure manner, make it make it standardized, repeatable, and comprehensible. Or in other words, it's like build a product-like object based on the product. So product data management is an approach that the idea is to manage the complex set of the information related to those products meaning take care of the creation of control, dissemination, and usage of all of this information. And in here, it's important to mention that productization, it's important because productization will give a structure and an organized manner to the next layer, to the product data management. So the information that is handled in this layer it's in a way easily to be handled, because if we start with a product that is organized properly, so the information obviously will come also organized. Okay. Traceability is on the top of the of this framework. Traceability is pretty much track a product or an element within the whole supply chains. Traceability could be internal traceability or external traceability. Internal traceability meaning to track the product within the company, and external is taking care of the customers and the suppliers within the supply chain. And for that, product data management becomes imperative, because if I define and implement the proper set of product data management in the company, so it means that I can pretty much accomplish the traceability management practices within the company. So now I just have to take care of how I will take care of the external traceability. Okay, so those are the one of the traits or features that I will take care of in each of these layers. In productization, as you saw from the later presentation, I will take care of the product structure of the products, giving emphasis to the commercial view and to the technical view. In product data management practices, I will take care of the product data, how it's defined, how it's implemented, if it's correct. Also, the stakeholders involved in these practices, the processes, and one of the main enablers of product data management, which is information systems, which supports all these layers. And for traceability, I will take a look to the stakeholders involved. The technologies pretty much are oriented to data carrier technologies, and also what are the processes involved. My research plan is first build the theoretical reference framework, then the current state assessment of the companies, and later on I will come out with a proposal and recommendations. So, and where I am now, I already work on the productization, product data management, and traceability management. I also collect the data. So now I'm just working on the framework, and then I will work on the current assessment. The focus of my research is, well, this is the business case that I'm taking care of. But I will focus pretty much in these two companies, try to build all the framework in these two companies, which is we consider is the most important in this value chain. And I hope to finish my thesis by August, so you will see results later on, hopefully.
Thank you. Any questions, comments?
Thank you for an interesting presentation. I have a question about the technology itself, as it's quite interesting. Where do you see this technology being in 5 years' time? How ubiquitous, how common do you think it'll be?
Well, companies are working now on it. The foil is just in the early stage of development, but they are working hard. So now there are I know that there are partnerships with another countries, with Germany. So what I see is that there will be a really promising future for this. As you see, there are different business cases. So many companies in Finland. There are some companies in Germany that are involved in the project. So I think all of them are they really have they are really confident that this product will come up in the future and it will be successful. Thank you.
Other comments, questions? If no, we thank you
Thank you.
for your presentation.